Hi, this is Lisa from Joyfully Art. I'm here to do another beautiful acrylic pour painting for you today. This is the dry painting from my last video. It's kind of plain, so I'm probably going to embellish it a little bit. It was my string pour, but it turned out okay. But it's just kind of plain. Okay, so on with the next. And my colors today, this is a self-mixed eggshell color, which is going to be my background color. This is Deco Art Yellow Oxide. This is Artist Loft Yellow Green. Artist Loft Copper. And this is a color that I just mixed a bunch together, and I call it Sweet Retreat. So what I'm going to do, this is a 7x14 canvas, and I'm going to put this down for the background. Uh-oh. There we go. Thought maybe I was out of butane. Okay. Now what I'm going to try to do is put like a puddle down here and then try to blow it with my hairdryer up. So let's see if it works. Oh, goodness. Oh, one of my puppy dog's coming in here. I don't know if you can see her down there. Make sure that I have enough that it can flow pretty good. It's got a bump in it somewhere. Put just a little bit in the middle of that. Okay, now let's see if this will work. Probably flow it everywhere. See if I can get it on low. That's not too bad. See if I can take my my little blower here and see what happens. I can use it to get more contact, more closer contact. I'll tell you what, I love this little blower. I think it was about $16 on Amazon. Not very expensive at all. See if we can get some more up this way. Oops. A little bit touched there. This is a little bit too much of that color. Let's see what we can do. Don't see a whole lot of the green. Let's try that. We'll use the hair dryer again. Ready? Here we go. Well, that's not really working too well, is it? That's right. Gotta have the high setting. Again. I'm really good about getting my finger or my instruments in the paint. I'm not watching too close, am I? I see a blob in there. Yep. Got that out. Now I'm liking this better now that it doesn't have the lighter color all the way down here. One thing I can say is that maybe your paint needs to be a little bit thinner to do this. But I like this copper. It looks like it's exploding down here. What do you guys think? Think this is good? I really like that. I'd like to remind everybody to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See some canvas here I need to cover up. Hit the bell, you'll be notified when I put up a new video. I sure would appreciate it if you shared with all your friends and family. Leave a comment if you so desire. Tell me what you would like to see. I really appreciate you watching. Let me give you a close-up here. Tell me if you like this or not. I think it turned out pretty well. I love the copper down at the bottom. There you have it. And as always, please have a great day.